So this is the question here. A 5-digit number is formed using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and the number formed is A, B, C, D, E. We have been given three conditions. A, B, C is divisible by 4, B, C, D is divisible by 5, and C, D is divisible by 3. So let us consider that we have 5 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in order to solve this type of questions, we'll make use of divisibility rules. So looking at the three conditions given, I think second one is the easiest one because it says it is divisible by 5, and if we remember, divisibility rule of 5 says that last digit should be either 0 or 5. So here we have been given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 0 is not a possibility. So 5 would be the choice for D. So here let us see A, B, C, D, E. So we have 5 in place of D. So we are done with this second condition. Now let us take a look at the first condition. It says ABC is divisible by 4. So in order to ABC to be divisible by 4, the last two digits, that is BC, should be divisible by 4. And according to the given numbers that we have, 2, 4, 3 and 1, there should be even numbers in place of C. So either there should be a 2 in place of C or there should be a 4. And we're looking at the multiples of 4, we have only two options, 24, because 24 is a multiple of 4 and also 32 is a multiple of 4. So we can have, let me write the divisibility rule of 4. Last two digits should be divisible by 4. So it can only contain 24 or 32 because 32 and 24 are multiples of 4. So in order to have BC as 32 or 24, C should be even number. Always remember that while dividing by 4, C should be even number. So we have two numbers which are divisible by 4, 24 and 32. So one's unit digit is 4 and other one's unit digit is 2. So let us we can write it like this for until we get the exact number. Now let us move on to the next condition, that is CDE. It says it is divisible by 3, and the divisibility rule of 3 says that sum of digits should be divisible by 3 itself. Should be divisible by 3. It means that C plus D plus E should be divisible by 3. So we have already got D as 5. So can we consider that C plus E should be divisible by 3? Also, here C, we have taken two possible scenarios, one in which 4 can be the C digit and one in which 2 can be the C digit. So we have now left with the E option. So it should be divisible by 3, C, D, E. So we add up this 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5 comes 9, and we have to add E also. So what will be the next multiple of 3 after 9? We have to add 3 more. So one option 3, 5 we already used it up. Now we have used 3. So E will be 3. Let us check this possibility also. 2 when added to 5 it becomes 7. 2 plus 5 7. And is there any other number which can be added to 7 to make it divisible by 3? Let us check it. 5 plus 2 7. 7 plus 1 8. Not divisible by 3. 7 plus 2 9. Divisible by 3, but 2 has already been taken in C, so we can't take it again in place of C, E. So we consider it as wrong. So this possibility is wrong. We will consider C as 4. Hope you understand this one. So we have got 3 digits, C, D, E digits. Now let us take a look at AB. How can we can we'll again go to the first condition A, B, C. It says it was divisible by 4, and in the divisibility rule said that it should be a multiple of 4. B, C, last two digits should be multiple of 4. 24 was the our number. B, C, which had multiple of 4. In place of B we'll write 2, and the left digit is 1. So this question basically asks the value of A. So here we got the value of A as 1.